हो गया फोटो?
छोड़ा ना भाई
फोटो यहाँ पे
क्राइम बीट
नहीं कुछ नहीं का हमारे लिए बेस्ट
बेस्ट
ठीक है
सर एक यहाँ पर निकलेगा होगा
हाँ आइए यहाँ पे
मैम यहाँ पे देखिए राइट साइड डालो मैम राइट साइड डालो ओके थैंक यू
आकाश
यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पे
सर यहाँ पे सर सर यहाँ पे यहाँ पे चलो
एक फोटो साथ में
क्या बात है क्या ये अच्छी है
यहाँ पे
एक इधर
सर यहाँ पे सर यहाँ पे हो गया
उनको बाइट
Thank you.
बाइट लेना होगा क्राइम बीट के बारे में
हाँ बोलो
क्या कुछ कहना चाहोगे किस तरह के विशेष देना चाहोगे
नहीं मैं तो इन्वॉल्व हूँ तो मैं विशेष क्या आप दीजिए मुझे विशेष मतलब वगैरह वगैरह इट्स अ वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग शो द मेन डायरेक्टर संजीव कौल आई हैव नोन फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम ही इज़ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग देयर इज़ अ great cast Saqib, Rahul Bhatt, Sabah Azad, all the rest, Danish, fantastic cast. So I mean Kishore Kadam, my old friend, is in it, and so it all works, and I think it's a very interesting, entertaining show. It's a great idea. It's the hunter becomes the hunted, and you know, I mean, a crime reporter and a gangster, how they interact, and how a story, who is the story, you know, I mean, whether the gangster is using the reporter or the reporter is using the gangster. It's a damn interesting show about a lot of things. So
what do you want to say about the casting because Saqib as a crime journalist he's looking very fab tell us
no, he's very good. I mean, Saqib is a very interesting actor. He doesn't call attention to himself, and he always plays the part करेक्टली तो वो मतलब कभी भी अपने पे नहीं वो पंच नहीं करता तो आप धीरे धीरे आपको समझ में आता है कि उसका परफॉर्मेंस बहुत अच्छा है वो एक शॉट से वो अपने आप को इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहा तो वो कहानी को कहने देता है और उसके ज़रिए आप कहानी को देखते हो और वो फिर वो अचानक आपको समझ में आता है कि कमाल का परफॉर्मेंस है और वो कितना ट्रू है अपनी कैरेक्टर को लेके बहुत अच्छा है वो साकिब वेरी गुड राहुल इज़ वेरी इफेक्टिव इज़ अ वेरी इफेक्टिव एक्टर ग्रेट करिश्मा I've worked with him before, Dasdev and all that. So I mean, it's a damn good cast. Danish works very well. He's got the right amount of intelligence to play this editor, right? And Kishore Kadam playing the photographer, Sabah Azad playing the young upper class girl who wants to make it, and in spite of whatever her background in journalism, this relationship between her and Saqib is very nice. The whole thing is excellent.
सर आप लोग क्या कहें what would you like to say
definitely we have got the best of the support from the direction team, the actors, the platform which is G5. So we got very good support from all in order to complete this series. So we are very very thankful to all.
No, it's a great show. I really had a great time doing some of it. So I've set it up, and it's I had a great time working with everyone.
As
Wonderful.
for the teaser we are waiting how it will be working thank you so much sir
Thank you. Thank you.
Sanjeev Kaul is also here, huh?
Sri is directing the show. I'm kind of just. being elder brother around.
Yes. Sir, few lines
बोलो बोलो
about the show.
सर ने तो
About
बोल
the
दिया
show.
होगा
About the show.
भाई शुरुआत तो तुमने की थी ना, कहानी तो तुमने चूज की थी, नॉवल तो तुमने खरीदी थी, बता दूं तुम्हारे बारे में और
हाँ बस हो गया
बाकायदा तो शुरुआत तो तुमसे हुई थी, फिर लाए मुझको भी तुम ही थे वगैरह वगैरह।
हो गया
बोलते कम है, काम ज़्यादा। ठीक है, वॉच इज वर्क, वॉच इज वर्क इज वेरी गुड,
हाँ.
इज वर्क इज वेरी गुड।
थैंक यू
यहाँ पे
हो गया ना।
मॉर्निंग गाइस क्या हाँ इधर
सर आइए पहले फोटो रखते हैं
थैंक यू
साथ में आइए।
दैट्स
यहाँ पे यहाँ पे यहाँ पे राइट में
थैंक यू फोटो स्टिल फोटो में सारा मिलने तो बहुत मजा आता है एक्सप्रेशन सही हो रहा है करेक्ट क्वेश्चन यस हाँ जी बताइए
Indian Films production आज आपका almost like a wrap up and come for this still again starting to perform.
यस
Tell us about your experience.
No, the experience has been fantastic. I've been associated with this show for the last 6 months now, and it's turned out really well. The teaser's come out today, and it's gotten some great feedback. So I'm very happy. And of course, we still have 2 more days to go, but I think our producers believe in partying harder and then working hard. So I think we'll party tonight and then work hard tomorrow.
शाकिब, जिस तरह टीजर में दिखा क्राइम रिपोर्टर बन रहे हो, अगर कुछ बताना चाहो कि किस तरह का एक्सपीरियंस था ओवरऑल वन, हाउ यू आर लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड?
No, like I said before, very good experience. As in, I really enjoyed myself. I was fortunate enough to get to work with. Hi guys. Hi. Hi. Yeah. So I'm very fortunate that I got to work with Sudhir sir, Sudhir Mishra, Sanjeev bhai, Sanjeev Kaul, and a range of fantastic actors in the show.
Welcome.
So just very fortunate to have gotten the opportunity to have worked with such amazing talent. And like you said, the teaser's out today.
Yes.
The reactions have been very, very good, and that's why we're celebrating today.
Yes.
When we are going to see the trailer and full
It
details?
is
You know,
already
ये
released.
प्रोड्यूसर आ गया है, ये सारे जवाब देंगे आपको, कब कौन
It
सी
is
लोग
already
कब
released.
आएगी।
8 o'clock now.
हाँ जी।
And we are going to play inside now. Once Saqib sir is inside, then
क्या what are you playing?
we are
sir?
going to play the teaser.
अरे lovely.
Yeah.
चलो, let's go inside then. See you guys. Thank you so much. Yes.
यहाँ पे सर राइट साइड
Better?
इधर यहाँ पर आ जाइए लेफ्ट साइड राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड
Done? Better? Thanks.
सर यहाँ पे सर सामने सर यहाँ पे या सर इधर सेंटर
Thank you so much, guys. Yeah.
So firstly, what would you like to say about Crime Beat and
We are very excited. It's a fabulous show, and it's a very special character for me also. I'm playing Mayank, Officer Mayank, and I can't reveal much about it right now. But धीरे धीरे सब आपको पता चलेगा. It's a fabulous show which and Sudhir sir, Sudhir Mishra, what a maker, what a man. उनके साथ काम मैं कर रहा हूँ, सेकेंड टाइम काम कर रहा हूँ. पहली बार मैंने किया, उसके बारे में मैं अभी नहीं बता सकता. You will find out about it very soon. But Crime Beat is a very special show for all of us. It's a great story, beautifully told. Sanjeev Kaul is the writer, director of the show, along with Sudhir sir, who's also the showrunner and the director. Great team. साकिब और मैं 83 के बाद फिर से काम कर रहे हैं. So it was fabulous working with him again. Sai, Kishore Kadam, Rajesh Telang. What a fabulous team. What a fabulous cast. Everyone.
Producers,
Rajiv and Raj and Sanjeev, these guys are fabulous makers, very passionate. मुझे लगता है कि I think it's one of the most passionately made web series in today's web space. दिल्ली में पूरा शूटिंग हुआ इसका और बहुत ही बढ़िया शूट हुई है ये फिल्म, ये वेब सीरीज. And I'm sure you guys are going to love it. It is inspired from true events and it is based on a bestseller book. So it's great content here, and I'm sure you guys are going to enjoy it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
So firstly, what would you like to say about the content films and Crime Beat?
Okay, about the content?
Or content films?
Okay, yeah. So talking about Rajiv, I think he's a very dearest friend of mine and a very passionate producer I have came across, and they really work on a good content and probably the content that is more appropriate nowadays to showcase on OTT platforms. So many congratulations to the team. And what would you like me to say about that?
About your character.
About myself? Okay. So my name is Rehmat Ratan and I'm from Kashmir. I've just recently came to Bombay and I was a part of Netflix series earlier. The title was Cat. And Randeep Hooda was playing a lead role in that. I was playing Madam Olak's elder daughter role. Coming upon to this series, this is going to be my second project here in Bollywood and I'm going to play a role of police officer in this. My shot is yet to be gone on floor. Probably that will be scheduled in Kashmir. So looking forward to it, and I'm really glad that I've got an opportunity to work with the renowned directors of today's time, even of the oldest time, and it's all my pleasure. Looking forward to it, and I'm just here to receive love from people, got many dreams. So looking forward to achieve my goal. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Anji, please go for it.
क्या मेरी जान सबको मिलेगा. कैसे हैं आप लोग?
2000 का नोट बैक हो गया.
500 भी करवाने वाला हूँ.
भाई यहाँ भी.
Thank you sir, thank you so much, thank you. Yes, all right.
we are almost hearing the wrap up teaser.
Release हुआ है, correct.
Content of production. So seeing this lightly on India, what do you have to say about your whole experience?
It's been a great experience, yeah. It's been a pleasure working with Sudhir Saab and Sanjeev. They're great directors and I'm really excited for the show. The teaser looks great and I'm happy to be a part of it. It's been an exciting journey and it's come to an end. So yeah, waiting for the final product to come out.
फर्जी 2 कब आएगी?
Fuzzy 2 next year आएगी सर.
और नोट बैन हो गई है, उसके बारे में अगर कुछ बताना चाहोगे?
मैं क्या बता सकता हूँ सर. हम अब क्या कर सकते हैं. हमने इतनी मेहनत से छापे आप लोगों ने बैन करवा दिए. मैं क्या कर सकते हैं.
एंड इसके अलावा ये क्राइम बीट की बात करें, किस तरह का कैरेक्टर आपका प्ले होने वाला है?
तो ये काफ़ी डिफरेंट है फ्रॉम व्हाट आई प्लेड बिफोर. स्पेशली वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम फर्जी. आई प्ले अ वेरी फ्लैम्बॉयंट रिच स्पॉइल्ड ब्रैट and I had a great time shooting it here. It was a new experience for me as well. Looking forward to the
The
result.
makers told you about the trailer or the release date, because just the teaser is out right now.
Yeah.
Would you like to say about the teaser and trailer and release date?
Yeah, the teaser looks great. Yeah, it's a high octane action packed show and I'm hoping that it's going to turn out really well. I had a pleasant experience shooting for it. I'm technically doing a special appearance in it because I really wanted to be a part of something like that. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to the final product.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time. Have a great time, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.